Hi, Twin Flames. This reading is for Divine Feminine. For those who are in communication, even if it's just a little bit, and will be coming into union. That's the Energy Art channel. If you're not sure if this reading is for you, I do have another playlist for those who are in no communication and full separation. So you might want to watch both and see what resonates for you. It's not gender specific and it's timeless. It's a timeless reading. I'm not going to talk a lot. All my details, everything is in the description box below for private services. Specials will be out on Facebook and Instagram. You can get them there. And I am putting my PayPal account link below. I'm asking for donations so that I can improve my channel for you for this year. I've got really big plans in improving my channel and my other platforms for everybody. So I would truly appreciate your donations. That's it. Like, share, and subscribe. That also helps me to improve my channel. So I would really appreciate your support on that. And let's see, I did make a video though for the donations. So you might want to watch the video. Otherwise, just my PayPal link are below. Any donations will be truly appreciated. I will pick three people for private readings that I will give away from those who have donated. So please just send me your name so I can enter you into the draw, whichever way is convenient for you, whichever platform you want to use. If you made a donation, please make sure that I've got your name so I can enter you in the draw for the 3 private readings that I'm going to give away for that. And let's see what's happening, Divine Feminine. I'm doing recent, past, present, and immediate future for this reading. Okay, first card immediate past that came up was the Star. And the Star is about hope. It's about hope and it's about balance. Finding that balance between the physical and the spiritual, following your intuition, stars aligning for you, and having hope in regards to your connection with your divine masculine. I do feel there has been communication, there may have been offers on the table, or something just gave you hope in this connection again in the recent past year, and it felt imbalance. Something just felt imbalance in this connection where before it may have been completely off balance, you may have felt hopeless, but this is you in the recent past having hope again for this connection and feeling a balance between give and take. And that love that are being reciprocated, what I put in, I receive back kind of a thing here. And I do see it with a card that came out with that as well, which is the Temperance. And Temperance is about having the ability to control temptations, but yes, this is also about balance, that physical and the spiritual balance, the balance within and without, enlightenment, and just really feeling the balance in this connection. This is what I truly feel you were going through in the recent past, your divine feminine, and everything just looked really balanced in your connection with your divine masculine. If this is not your situation, then it's not your story. So please don't make it your story and watch another reading from the playlist if this doesn't resonate for you. In the present, however, you are coming through as the Nine of Coins here. And the Nine of Coins is single, independent, working on my own stability. It might be slow with a snail over there, but really putting in the work into yourself. And this is where you are currently, Divine Feminine. Something has changed again here. From everything being so beautiful and in balance and having hope again, feeling like the stars is aligned for you to you being single and independent again, yeah, isolating yourself maybe even. I do not pick up on a heavy kind of energy, so I don't feel sadness, I don't feel heartache, I don't feel heartbreak. But this is you putting your attention into yourself. This is you being on your own. Your divine masculine is not present here. There may have been a breakup, another separation here, or you may have just pulled the plug on this connection because you want to focus on yourself and your own life right now. For a lot of you, I do feel that is the situation. Not necessarily that something went wrong, but for some it could be that something changed in the connection again. Your divine masculine may have fallen back into old patterns and you pulled the plug on it, or this is you just making the decision to be on your own and work on your own stability right now and not giving your attention to your divine masculine in this connection. You are not prepared to take a leap of faith here in this connection here, divine feminine. So for a lot of you, I do feel either fear is taken a hold of you and you've changed your mind about this connection right now, or something happened from everything was balanced and in equal give and take to you not wanting to take this leap of faith and rather be on your own right now. The Fool is about taking that leap of faith, carrying light, leaving the past behind you, starting a new cycle, even if it seems risky, starting that new cycle. And I don't see you starting that cycle with your divine masculine here. You're not taking that leap of faith, you're not taking that risk, divine feminine. You choose to be on your own right now. This is what I see with this Nine of Pentacles. In the immediate future, however, things change again. You are taking that leap of faith. You are embarking on a new journey here. For some, I do pick up this is you embarking on a new journey on your own, leaving the past behind you, not allowing anything to hold you back. You can see there, the dog there pulling on a skirt, trying to hold it back, not allowing things to hold you back. And it might be your divine masculine trying to hold on to you, but you're pushing forward. And for some, this is you changing your mind again and actually embarking on a new journey with your divine masculine. So it would be different for different twins. For some of you, embarking on a new journey with your divine masculine and coming into union, and some going off on your own. I pick up on both those energies, so take it as it resonates for you. But yes, in the immediate future, you're not holding on to the past. You're definitely not holding on to the past with this Five of Cups in reverse. Five of Cups is about feeling sad, holding on to the past, can't get over it, or really in that heavy energies about things that went wrong in your life or in the connection or outside of this connection, and not realizing that the two cups are still standing, going through a lot of changes. In reverse, yeah, you're not holding on to the past of what happened in this connection. You're pushing forward either on your own or within this connection. For some of you, you are realizing there's still something beautiful to hold on to in this connection, and then change your mind and actually move forward with your divine masculine into union. And for some of you, you are moving on your own, knowing that this connection is still strong, not holding on to the past, but you're also not giving it a chance in the immediate future. And that is it. That is just what I'm getting here. So I'm going to leave it there. Take it as it resonates for you. Remember to check the description box below. All my details are below. Please donate so that I can improve my channel for you. And please like, share and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right over here at the bottom of the video. Again, so I can improve my channel for you. And I will see you in the next video. Namaste, Divine Feminine.